Hello everyone. Today's topic is an overview of carbohydrate metabolism. Major metabolic pathways of carbohydrate metabolism are glycolysis, that is aerobic glycolysis, anaerobic glycolysis, glycogenesis, glycogenolysis, gluconeogenesis, uronic acid pathway and HMP shunt. First major pathway is aerobic glycolysis. In this, glucose is converted to glucose 6-phosphate. Glucose 6-phosphate after a series of reactions is converted to pyruvate. Pyruvate then forms acetyl-CoA which enters into TCA cycle. Here reducing equivalents are generated which further get oxidized through electron transport chain and ATP is formed. Second major metabolic pathway is anaerobic glycolysis. In cells which don't have mitochondria, for example RBC, this pyruvate gets converted to lactate and this is called as anaerobic glycolysis. Another metabolic pathway is glycogenesis, which means synthesis of glycogen from glucose in well-fed state. Next pathway is glycogenolysis, that is breakdown of glycogen to glucose, that is in fasting and starvation. Another metabolic pathway is gluconeogenesis, which means formation of new glucose from non-carbohydrate precursors like pyruvate, lactate, glucogenic amino acids, etc. in fasting and starvation. Another pathway in carbohydrate metabolism is uronic acid pathway. Here glucurononic acid is formed, which is important in the synthesis of proteoglycans and glycoproteins and in conjugation reaction. Next pathway is HMP shunt. Here NADPH and ribose 5-phosphate are formed. This NADPH is for the synthesis of cholesterol, fatty acid, ketone bodies, etc. Ribose 5-phosphate is important for the synthesis of DNA, RNA, coenzymes like FAD, NAD, coenzyme A and ATP.